Hey, this is Charles here with Service First Mortgage. Wanted to do a little talk about a vendor versus a partner and what the difference is. And, mine, of course, is geared towards real estate and mortgage combination partnerships, not vendorships, partnerships, but this can go towards any industry out there. So take a few moments and listen to it. It's very important because you want to make sure that in whatever you do, no matter what you're selling, whether you're selling the widgets, you want to make sure your partner is well versed in widgets. It's just like an agent. If you are a real estate agent, you want to make sure your partner is well versed in mortgages and not just conventional loans or just FHA loans. You want your partner to be well versed in all loan programs, all loan types. So let's take a look. Partner versus a vendor. Do you want a partner or a vendor in your business? Well, what is a partner? A partner is a person who takes part in an undertaking with another or others, especially in a business or company with shared risks and profits. Now, think about this. A vendor is just somebody who's going to take loan applications, get somebody approved, and close them. They don't care anything about the client or you. Your partner is going to take care of the client, but your partner is going to protect you and your commission. So just keep that in mind. The definition of a vendor is a person or company offering something for sale, especially a trader in the street. Exactly what some of these companies are out there. They're just vendors. They don't care. They're a call center. The phone rings. Hello, yeah, let me get you approved. All right, we're done. And you never talk to them again because the phone is ringing. As soon as they hang up, the phone's ringing again. They could care less. Now, customers have vendors, but clients have partners. Remember that. So the traits of a business partner are: the business partner is supportive, they're gratifying, they're boosting, have integrity, passionate, committed, looking for growth together so you can both be successful. The vendor, man, all they care about is sales. They're numbers driven, they're looking for the dollar, supplies a product or service, and that's it. Has its own best interest at heart. Think about that. And the cookie cutter solutions. As a business partner, man, sales are sales, numbers are numbers. The money will come if I take care of you, right? I'm not selling a product or a service. I'm selling a lifestyle for a client who is purchasing a home. I am selling something for them and their family. My best interest at heart is that of the client, the home buyer, and of you as the realtor. Cookie cutter solutions are out the door in today's mortgage world. You've got to be able to think outside the box and figure out how to make things work. Things are much different today. And what things that we offer our partners here at Service First Mortgage, we offer the ability to teach you how to generate your own leads for a lot less than you're paying Zillow. We also have a customized app for you. Customized app. This is great. Clients love it. You send it over to them. They do the loan application on their phone. They can upload all their documents and do everything right from their phone. And you and them are updated at every step of the loan. Another thing we do, co-branded presentations for whenever you have open houses and other marketing materials that we have for programs. If you're looking for a partner as opposed to a vendor and would like to learn more, give me a call. Charles Montasana at Service First Mortgage. My office is 972-608-7516 and my cell is 214-543-3997. And I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to being your partner.